dear. How are you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How is your day going?
Uh, Very good.
Very good. And what you did since morning?
Um, in the morning, I did some drawing and also studied a bit.
Oh, you studied. And what did you study today?
Math.
And is that your favorite subject?
No, but every day I do some random subject, and today I did math.
Okay, so which is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is computers,
Okay,
cyber.
that's great. That's wonderful. And what about Hindi, Sanskrit?
That is in the lower.
And which is that particular subject that you really don't want to study? If given the chance, you would simply remove that subject only from your syllabus.
Sanskrit.
It's difficult, no complicated.
Yes.
Sanskrit and maths are quite same to me. I find it complicated. Okay. And so let us see what interesting topic do we have today.
Okay.
Okay, Divyansh, just daily routine only, which ma'am had already asked you. And I would like to know from you that whenever there is a leave, from your school, what is your routine on that day? What do you do from morning to evening?
The things that I do on that day
Hmm.
is well almost same as what I do on holidays.
Okay.
So I start with waking up and get freshen up by brushing my teeth.
Uh, I start
After
with waking up, get freshen up. I get fresh.
I get fresh.
Very good.
After that, I take a bath
Okay.
and eat breakfast.
Breakfast or breakfast?
Breakfast. So
Okay.
pronunciation is breakfast.
It's okay.
So uh, after breakfast, I go out to play,
Okay.
and after coming back, I
After
study.
returning, you can say.
I
Okay.
study. If I have homework, I study.
Okay.
Else I do hobby. One of my hobbies, such as drawing, designing with Lego, and learning new things on my computer.
So, what are the new things that till date you have learned? And those are very interesting.
Till date, I have learned the starting basics of Swift, a coding language. I just started it, so I do not know much, but I am starting it.
And is it interesting?
Yes, it is. It is very easier from other programming language like Python and C.
Okay. You can say it is easier as compared to other coding languages.
Okay.
Not very easy, it is easier. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, that's interesting. Okay, I have a very interesting topic today for you, my dear. And it is that if you imagine that for one day, what if you had a superpower? Okay, what all things would you and would you not do? For one day, 24 hours, you have superpower.
So whatever I like, or you give this.
Whatever you like to do. But the superpower that you have is you can become invisible. Okay, you can freeze people too.
Okay.
You can fly in the air like Superman, and with snapping of fingers, you can pause everything like freezing only. Okay,
Freezing time.
freezing time, freezing people. Yes. Let's see what interesting things would you do having so many superpowers.
So if I get the power to fly, then The first thing I would do is to explore the world. That is like the most.
Hmm.
I will explore places like I always wanted to visit, such as architecture marvels such as the Golden Gate Bridge and the world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa.
Okay.
I would also want to visit places such as the Sydney Opera House and the Red Fort.
Okay. And what else? Just where flying you'll visit. What else would you do? You have for a day you can do so many things.
Then, if I can turn invisible,
Hmm.
then
I could turn invisible. Okay. It has to be in
okay.
past. If I could turn invisible, I would.
If I could turn invisible, I would. Uh, the only thing I could get is like pranking someone, like lifting a glass and putting it back.
And who would you prank it?
My friends.
Okay. Okay.
Mm, One of my friend, his name is Shore. He
Okay.
sometimes he sometimes believes in like ghosts, so
Okay.
I could like surprise him. Like
So he is chicken hearted.
what?
He is chicken hearted, you can say. Chicken hearted are those who are very darpoke. Wait,
Okay.
Maps is typing for you in the chat box. 1 second, my dear. You can take the screenshot, okay? A person who is scared of everything. Devansh, check my idea in the chat box.
Mm, Nothing has come yet.
You did not receive?
No.
Let me. The chat. I'll dictate it to you. You can write chicken. Do you know the spelling of chicken?
Yes.
Write the word Chicken. Chicken. Do you know the spelling of heart?
Yes.
Heart. It's one word. Okay, Divansh.
Okay.
Now, chicken
Chicken
heart
hearted.
and ed to it.
Yes.
Okay.
ED in the last.
Yes. The meaning is a person who is scared of everything. Can you give me a
Yes.
sentence?
Sentence.
Yeah.
With chicken hearted.
Yes.
Uh,
My friend is
uh
chicken.
my my sister is chicken hearted. She got scared with a character in her cartoon, in her favorite cartoon.
Okay, you can write. My sister is chicken hearted as
Mm,
my sister
eh,
is
my
chicken
sister is chicken hearted
as
as
she got scared
she got
of
scared.
a character, as she got scared of a character from her favorite cartoon.
Done.
So are you chicken hearted, Devansh?
Mm, as much as I think no, because
Or you're strong?
yes, I guess.
Okay, that's great. And what else will you do? Come on, you're invisible now. Three things that you would do if you got invisible.
These two things, like traveling around the world and pranking my friend, is the only two things I would do.
Okay. And what about the power when you're going to freeze the time?
Mm, if I can freeze time, then if something's bad about to happen, uh, I can like freeze time and
How
put
can
these in the right order, and then again.
what is this? What is it called?
You said when you snap your finger, it
Right.
freeze time.
Right. Okay. So what if you are in the school, Devansh? Imagine. And there's a very serious situation where you are also scared. You have the superpower, right?
Okay.
What will you do? And how will you control that situation? And what situation in school would you control by your superpower?
If something like I didn't understand what you were trying to say.
Let's suppose you are in the school, okay?
Yes.
And day starts well, but then too you realize there is something serious today is going to happen. You don't know. It can be a surprise test. It can be your strict teacher is very angry today and he's going to give good ones to everybody. Or you feel that maybe you did some prank and you will be called to the principal. Anything can happen. How will you use the superpower for that day in the school? Very difficult.
Uh, it is a bit difficult. I don't know how.
Would you not snap the finger, freeze the time, and maybe for that day you would just freeze the time as it is, and again you snap it, and for a few minutes people will like, what exactly happened? And the time will pass. Maybe if your strict teacher is going to like give everybody a good one, you'll become invisible.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am will change the topic. Let's make it more easy for you. Okay. uh I would like to know from you, do you think, do you use artificial intelligence, do you use AI?
Sometimes when I need help in questions, and so I that times I use AI.
Do you think AI can be a good teacher?
Right now AI is in its first or second stage, so it is not accurate in most things. But if in the future it could get better, then it could teach us many things.
Can you give some examples on it?
Mm, so if many people want, like if this is an English lesson, if many people want to learn English or any other language, German, French, Spanish, they could ask AI to tell them where they could learn it.
Hmm.
Mm, if you have to pay, then what do you have to pay, and how much time it may take,
Okay.
and its uses.
But don't you think that sometimes it can misguide you also?
Right now it can, because it's not has much knowledge.
It does not have.
It does not have much knowledge,
Okay.
and but in future times it can learn. AI can learn. So after in the future, it can tell us things that are
Oh,
correct.
okay. Okay. So, how do you think AI is helping everyone in the world?
AI can help everyone in the world by, First of all, it can teach things, and
Okay.
second, it can, if you put it in a like machine,
Hmm.
it can sometimes do work
Hmm.
which is so that there is much less danger on human life.
How do you think that there is a danger on human life? In what ways
uh,
can?
because when work is happening, sometimes
Huh?
uh, there can be an accident in the factory.
Very good.
So if AI is working, one two of the machines can be broken, but they
Okay.
can be repaired or made one more time, and the AI does not go. But if a humans are working there, it can endanger their lives.
Okay. That's interesting. That's good. Do you think that AI can somehow um, make us less creative?
Yes, because it can tell everything we, so we won't use our brain and just type. ChatGPT, can you write this essay on science? So nobody would write on their own.
Hmm.
Like chat, it's like ChatGPT is learning at school. So
How much you take help on these things?
not much. In some reasons, like I'm in math, I sometimes get problem in the equations. So sometimes I only ask.
Yeah, okay. And does it give you the right and accurate answer?
Uh, as far as I have searched, yes, because in the back of my book there are many answers,
Yeah.
but I
Good.
never look at that. So after I've done my exercise, I look and check.
That's interesting. So, do you get projects in your schools, or group projects on science or anything, computer?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you take help of ChatGPT to do it? How do you complete the projects as a group, as a team?
So we first take research at so many. Uh, I am living on the edge of the city, so many friends of mine are very far. Their houses are very far from mine.
Hmm.
So I take help from WhatsApp to call them,
Hmm.
and we both do research on Google, like websites like Wikipedia,
Hmm.
because those are not AI. And we also take help from books. So
Okay.
after what we have researched, uh, if there are three people, one makes a little bit part, the second makes the second, third makes third. There is equal work.
That's interesting.
Mm. And we have done this two, three times in our class with me and my friend.
So, whenever you do teamwork, have you come across such friends that who don't want to help, but they are just there? No, no, you do it, and later they say, "No, we all did it."
Uh, I did not found any friend like that
Didn't
yet.
find. I didn't find. So with did, we always use the verb first form. I didn't find. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. The next question to you, Devansh, is how much you like homework?
Homework. Mostly I like homework, but I don't like these three subjects: Hindi, math, and
Subject.
starting this starting this year Sanskrit, because it's almost Hindi and I don't like Hindi.
Okay.
Homework.
And how do you study then since you don't like the subject much?
I still do it. It's compulsory.
It is compulsory, my dear. So if I mean like let's have a debate on this, Devansh. Should homework be banned or not? Homework and exams. Should it be banned or not? So which
No.
side are you? You're no, I'm yes. Okay?
Okay.
We'll start from you. Why no?
Because if there are no exams or tests, uh, there can be no effort. Like you cannot test how much they understand it or not. Because if it's something they did not understand, you could tell them and teach them again.
Correct. Have water, my dear. It's okay. Have water. You can have water. Always keep water with yourself while you're having sessions, okay?
So and homework is the same as exam, but like in a small form and every day.
So it should be banned, you want to say?
No, it is not bad. I just want to say that it is good for us, and if you don't like it, it should be a little less.
But homework are always little less. But you know, when you come home, when you return home, you're so exhausted. You just want to go and sleep and take rest. But then you realize you have so much to do. You have tests to also, for which you have to do the revision or the studies. And then you have the burden for homework. So don't you think that exams and homework are kind of burden, because then you don't have time for yourself? What's your opinion?
Mm, I don't think so because when I come home at approximately 3 o'clock.
At 3
Three
o'clock?
at 3 o'clock or at 2:30.
Okay.
So I come home and eat lunch.
Hmm.
Then I take a nap.
Okay.
After that, then I do my homework. And after that, it is free time. So I go out, watch some TV, or do anything I want.
And when do you study?
Mm, right after the nap.
Okay. So that means in the evening you're free.
Yes.
But see, you do it, right? You are sincere. But there are many who are like, no, I don't want to do it. Why homework? If the teacher has already taught, that's enough for me.
Homework is like revision, and you have to take revision because if not, you tend to forget things.
You tend to forget.
Forget things,
Very good.
and you can also be wrong at things like in math equations. You can do it wrong if you do not have practice.
If we have homework, then why do we need exams then? Homework, since you're saying it's kind of an exam, then that means homework, then exams should be banned.
Uh, exam there are two reasons because exam is test in the there are four exams
Hmm.
in the half yearly final and two tests.
Hmm.
So in the first three exams they can test who are wrong in which uh, sections of
Hmm.
subjects. So in that they could uh, teach extra to those children who do not get it. And well, after the exam everybody feel like a little relaxed.
Everybody feels a bit.
Everybody feels relaxed. So that is also a good thing.
So if you want to be relaxed, then why do we have exams? Let's ban it. Because if we are having homework, we are having class tests, then what's the need of exams? I mean, like at one go, you have to study so many things that we can forget also.
Mm, exams are essential as well as homework and uh, to study normally. So
Okay,
I think they shouldn't be banned because they're important.
okay, good. You spoke well, not bad, very good. And you are quite winning. Okay, Before I give you the feedback, my dear, for tomorrow, we will have a debate. Okay? Today also we were having, but tomorrow
Okay.
it's going to be one side. Uh, I'll give you. Okay. Online learning versus classroom learning. Which side are
That
you?
is, mm, I think.
Okay, you'll think, and ma'am will take the other side. Okay? So
Okay.
we'll ask each other questions then.
Okay.
Okay. Devansh, I get freshen up or I get fresh?
I get fresh.
I eat breakfast,
Uh, breakfast.
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 After, no. R, whenever we have the letter R like in the end of any word, it changes to a pronunciation. So it's not after, it's after. Okay,
After.
very good. Acha, after coming back, we can have a better word. So instead of saying after coming back, we can use the word after returning home. Okay, it is very easier or it is easier.
Easier.
Very good. One of my friends or one of my friends.
Friends.
Very good. It not has or it does not have.
It does not have.
Very good. Never, the pronunciation. How is it? I corrected you.
Never.
Very good. I didn't found or I didn't find.
I didn't found it.
Are you sure?
I think found is
No, my
correct.
dear. Did, what is the second form of do?
Did.
Right. That is the second form. Now, in always know that in sentences of past tense, we cannot use two second forms at once. If the grammar is in second form, verb needs to be in first form. So I didn't found or I didn't find.
Find is the first form, so find.